Meanwhile, Minister of Local Government and Jamaica Labour Party Deputy Leader Desmond Mackenzie says Jamaicans should never allow the People's National Party, the PNP, to regain power. Minister Mackenzie also alleges that the PNP is actively working to undermine the efforts of the JLP leader. More in this report.
Because the steady hands of Dr. Holness and his team has rebuilt the Jamaican economy.
Local Government Minister Desmond Mackenzie says the Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, is actively putting more money in the pockets of Jamaican citizens. This pronouncement as he addressed supporters at the party's St. Mary Southeast Tour and Works on Tuesday. According to Minister Mackenzie, the JLP, due to the astute leadership of Holness, has significantly reduced the financial burden of the poor.
The minimum wage. We have an increase in the minimum wage about 2 or 3 times since the form government. And it means that when the minimum wage increase, it means the livelihood of the average Jamaicans also increase.
Minister Mackenzie says the social programs instituted by the PNP are lackluster. He claims it's the JLP-based programs which effectively addressed poverty and support vulnerable groups.
Look at the indigent housing program under the Ministry of Local Government, where persons who are registered on our poor relief program. Again, every parish in Jamaica has benefited from the Jamaica Labour Party indigent housing program.
Minister Mackenzie believes the PNP would potentially reverse developments made by the JLP instead of making worthwhile improvements.